Now we will see the adjustment sale of goods on approval basis. Now first we should understand the meaning of sale of goods on approval basis. What is the meaning of sale of goods on approval basis? Sometimes what happen, either there is a new company in the market, or sometimes you are having a different type of product with you, but you are not getting good response for that product in the market. It is difficult to sell out that product in the market. Suppose you are the distributor of any company, or you are dealing in any particular type of product, and we will take example of suppose mobile phones. Now the most popular mobile phones in the market are today Oppo, Samsung, Vivo, and many brands are there. And you can easily sell mobile phones of these brands. But suppose some new brand is there, and you are not finding any buyer for that. Now what as a distributor you are doing, because you are having contact with retailers in the market. So what you do, you ask your retailers which are sitting in the market and which are in direct contact with the customer, that I am giving you 5 mobile phones. I am giving you 5 mobile phones, and you try to sell them. You just try to sell them. If somehow you manage to sell it, then you pay me money. Or if you are not able to sell it after a reasonable time, whatever the time is decided between the distributor and the retailer, it will be returned. The mobiles will be returned. So either return the mobiles after suppose 1 month time period has been decided, that try to sell it within a month, and if you somehow you are not able to sell it, then after 1 month give it me back. Now suppose the price of mobile phone is rupees 3,000. Suppose the price of the mobile phone is rupees 3,000, and I have given him 5 mobile phones. So either the retailer will pay me rupees 15,000 within a month or after 1 month, or either he will be he will be returning me the mobile phones itself. So now either the retailer will approve the sale or he will return the goods. It is called sale of goods on approval basis. It is called sale